Morning, students. Today we are going to do chapter number 5, industry. Okay, so what is industry? Basically, it is the most important pillars of any country. It is the most important pillar of any country. Okay, so what's the definition of industry? Industries is a place where the raw materials are converted into intermediary intermediate or finished goods. Okay, so what is industry? Industry is a place where raw materials are converted into intermediate or finished goods. Okay, so what does intermediary means? That means it can be used to manufacture, it can be called as spare parts. Okay, spare parts of various things. So intermediary means it's not the final goods. Okay, it helps in making other goods. Okay, helps in making other goods. So industry helps in converting the raw materials into finished or intermediary goods. So we can divide industries into various industries. So types of industry will, the next topic is types of industries. We can divide industries on the basis of two things. First, on the basis of capital and investment, and secondly, on the basis of raw materials used. Okay, so on the basis of capital, industry can be divided as large scale, small scale, and cottage industry. So what's a large scale industry? As the name suggests, that large scale means the industry which requires huge capital, that it is capital intensive. Okay, it requires huge capital. Secondly, it requires heavy machineries. Then it also requires skilled labor. Okay, so what's the example for large scale industry? Example like iron and steel industry. Okay, so this is large scale industry where it is capital intensive, means it requires it requires huge capital, that is, it is capital intensive. Then high heavy machineries, skilled labor. Example is iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry. Okay. So similarly, as the name suggests, it requires less capital investment. Okay. It does not require heavy machineries. Small simple machinery can do. Okay, it requires simple machinery. Then it does not require skilled labor. Basically, agricultural products and food and all belongs to this category. Food stuff belongs to this category, small scale. And we have cotton industry. It's basically for local market. Okay, the household goods which are produced for local markets is called cotton industry. Okay, here the persons like carpenters, blacksmith, they perform their work. Okay, so these are the three types of industry on the basis of capital investment. Then on the basis of raw materials, we can divide the industry into two parts, that is agro based and mineral based. Okay, so what is agro based? Agro means agriculture over here, thus agriculture means the product which are where from the product where raw materials is taken from field, that is from agriculture, it is known as agro based. Okay, and here where the raw materials are minerals that are extracted from the ground or underneath the ground, it's called mineral based. So this food products are generally the example of food products are the example of agro based, and iron and steel is example of mineral based. So these are the two types of industries on the basis of raw material used. Okay, so we are going to further to our next topic, that is why do we need why do we need industry, or what's the importance of industry. Okay, so why do we need industry? The answer is, why do we need industry? The first reason or the need for industry is to meet the growing demands of the people. Okay, of the people, to meet the growing demand of the people, that will create a good standard of living for the people of that country. Okay, so why do we need industries? Because every country have their own demand of various products that can be only meet through industries. Okay, so this is the first point. Then what does industry do? It generates or provides large scale employment. Industry provides large scale employment, thereby thereby it makes the economy stronger. Okay, so it provides large scale in importance industry, it provides large scale employment, thereby they make the economic stronger. Okay, then third we have it provides contribution, provides products for all other sectors. Okay, so entry industry can be set as a central point. Okay, so it provides materials for all other sectors. Suppose this is industry, it would provide materials for agriculture, then it would provide for business and trade. Okay, what raw materials it can provide for agriculture? They can provide fertilizers, manufacture machineries, and machineries for irrigation and all. Thus it helps agriculture. In business and trade, it can provide systems and various things for business and trades. Then transportation, all vehicles are created in an industry. Okay, then it provides stability to infrastructure, as all the materials to build bridges and roads are manufactured in an industry. It provides helps to communication sectors also. Communication sectors, then education and ministry sector too. So this is how industry helps the all sectors. Okay, so thus industry is very important parts of a country. So we are revising what we have taught. It's first, we know that industry is the important pillar of any country. It's a place where raw materials are converted into intermediary or finished goods. Then we have known the types of industry, that is on the basis of capital investment, on the basis of capital investment and on the basis of raw material used. So on the basis of capital investment, there are three types of industry: large scale, small scale and cottage industry. Okay, then on the basis of raw materials, there are two types of industry: agro based and mineral based. Okay, then we have learned why industry is important. So the first point was to meet the demand of people and create a good standard of living for the people of that country. It provides large scale employment, thereby it makes the economy stronger, and it contributes to contributes or provide products for all the other sectors like infrastructure, roads, that is transport, business and trade, agriculture, education and medicals, communication. So this is how industry helps. So that's all for today. We'll continue this chapter on next video. Thank you.